In this video, I'm going to show you how to interpret a given box plot, and it is pretty straightforward if you know how a box plot is constructed. And let's draw some generic box plot, and let's review the elements of the box plot. A box plot is made of 5 vertical lines, each representing a value in a corresponding 5 number summary. Now Q2 is your median, and the box represents the middle 50%. So each of these sections contains 25% of the data. So that's how we read a box plot. And depending on how long each part is, that's how much 25% of the data will be spread out over that interval. So if the interval is long, then in a corresponding histogram, it will probably have a low relative frequency because it's the same 25% spread out over different lengths intervals. Anyway, also worth noting that in this particular box plot, we're not considering any outliers, so the interpretation is as straightforward as I just shown in this visual. So reading our box plot, we can see that the Q0 is 7, the Q1 is 9.5, the median is 11.5, Q3 is 14, and Q4 is 15. Now, I would also mention it here, although it's not the case in this problem, but sometimes your quartiles may collapse one into another. So if you have a box plot like this, that means Q0 didn't disappear. That means Q0 and Q1 collapsed into the same value. And then this is going to be your Q2, Q3, and Q4. Now, is it possible to have a box plot like this? Yes, it is. It's going to be very rare, but this one will be hard to interpret because we don't know on which side of the box Q2 has collapsed. So be mindful of these possible scenarios, and let's submit this problem. Let's get the full credit. This problem is pretty straightforward, so we can try another one really quick. And here's an example of when your Q0 and Q1 have collapsed into the same value. So hopefully everything makes sense. And if it doesn't, please reach out. If you want to try a similar question yourself, look for the link in the description of the video.